Hi everybody, today I'll show you WordPress mega menu tutorial. So let's begin. Alright, to create the mega menu in the WordPress, first of all what we have to do, we have to go inside the plugins and click on the add new plugin, and here we have to search for Elements Kit. As you can see here, we are having Elements Kit Elementor add-on at the top of the search. So we have to install this and activate this. So I have already done that. And after this, what we have to do, we actually have to go inside the appearance, and inside the appearance, we have the menus. All right. So now in the menus, we actually have the main menu. So I'm going to go to the main menu, click on select. And here in the main menu, you can see the option of Elements Kit Mega Menu. Okay. So we have to enable this, and now we actually have to save this. And after this, what I want to do, I actually want to create the mega menu for the mains option. So I'm going to click on mega menu here, and I would enable our mega menu. And after this, what you're going to do, we're going to simply click on edit mega menu content. And in editing the mega menu content, what I can simply use the template from Elements Kit. So I would simply click here, and here I will search for sections. Alright, so here you can see here that we have the menu section. And in here, I would actually like to go here with this one. So I'm going to click on insert, and now you'll be able to see our menu section. Okay. So I would like to change this according to our website. All right. So here I'm going to change the name of the categories that we're going to add on the main section. Okay. So I'm going to change the subtitle here. So the first one is going to be casual wear, and the second one is going to be formal wear. And after this, we're going to have outerwear. So let's just change the subtitle again. And after this, what we are going to have, we are going to have accessories. And in the last, we're going to have footwear. We're going to change the subtitle to footwear. All right. So in the similar way, I'm going to also change the listing here. So how can we change this? We can simply change this from here. So I'm going to do this really quickly. All right. So I have changed the option in our page list on our first category. So in the same way, we're going to do the second one. All right. So we have changed the page list of our formal wear. In the similar way, we're going to change this for our outerwear. Alright, so we have also changed the page list of our outerwear. So we're going to do the same thing on accessories. Alright, so we've also changed the content of accessories. So in the similar way, we're going to do this for the footwear. And then we are good to go. Alright, so we have also updated the last category here. Okay, so one thing that I wanted to mention here, that right now I haven't added any link to these options that we have. But whenever you're going to build this, you will need to add the link here as well to the respective page. Okay. And in the last, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to simply change the image here. So we're going to go into the choose image. And from here, what I can do, I can simply go here with, let's say, we can go here with this bag. So let's click on select. And now what we have to do, we actually have to decrease the size of it. All right. So I think the 25 would work fine. And now we're going to go inside the advanced settings. And in here, I have to change the offset value. So this is going to be on the right side, and we can put this vertically here as well, but I'm going to keep this there. And now you can see here, this is looking fine. But as you can see here, our image is also having this background, so which is not looking really great. So right now we can go back to our default image because it does not have any background color here. So that is why it would look better now. But when we are building it along with our store, we need to update this accordingly. And now I think I would need to go back. This is going to be -40, and we also have to change the width here. All right, so I think this is looking fine. Yeah. All right, so now what we have to do, we have to simply publish this. And now we have to close this. We can go inside the settings, and I would like to go here the full width. Now let's click on save. So we have created our mega menu option, but obviously we need to use this. Okay, so how can we use this? We're going to create our custom header. So let's go inside the header option of Elements Kit. We'll simply click on add new template, and this is going to be custom header, and it should be on the entire side. We're going to activate this, click on save changes. Okay, and now we have to click on added content. All right, so now we will be building this really quickly. So how can I do this? It's pretty simple. We're going to go here, the flex box, 3-column structure. In the first one, we're going to have the image. So let's just drag the image here. So we're going to drag the image. And in the second one, what we need to do, we need to have our navigation menu by LMS kit. So we're going to drag this and put this here. And now we have to select our menu. So this is going to be the main menu. And you can see our mega menu here. But right now, obviously, we need to edit our header here. And in the last, I'm going to add the social icons. Okay, so now we can add the social icons. So let's drag this and put this here. All right, so I think this is looking perfect. So first thing that we have to do here is to change the image. So this is going to be our logo. So we're going to add this logo. Click on select. All right, so now we're going to change the height of it. So how can you do this? It's pretty simple. I think we have to go inside the advanced settings, and in here we can change the padding value to 0. Now this is looking better. And in a similar way, we're going to click on main container. And now what we're going to do here will basically go into the advanced settings, click on padding to the 0. And now what you have to do, we have to put our logo and social icons into the center. So how can you do this? It's pretty simple. We're going to go inside the layout, and in the align items, we're going to put this into the center. And in the similar way, I would like to align my navigation menu to the center. Okay, so we're going to go into the layout and we'll simply put this into the center. All right, so now I think this is looking good. And we actually need to add the background color to our main container. So we're going to go into the background type, select the color here, and this is going to be the white color. And we can also add the box shadow here. So let's add the box shadow. So I'm going to go here with the same color, but actually I'm going to change the opacity. All right, so I think this is looking perfect. So let's just click on publish. And now what we have to do, we have to go back to our WordPress dashboard. Let's just click on visit store. And now you'll be able to see our mega menu for our main section. Okay, so I think I will need to go back and we might need to do some adjustment there. So let's click on appearance and go inside the menus. And in our mega menu for the man, we're going to click on mega menu, go to the setting. We're going to keep the mega menu position relative and also the default width here. Okay, so let's click on save. Now let's click on save menu. Now let's go back, refresh the page. And now you'll be able to see our mega menu here. Okay, and I think this is looking really good. And if you want to play around with the design of our mega menu, you can simply go back to your dashboard again. And from here, what you have to do, you just have to go inside the appearance and you have to click on the menus. And then what you have to do is have to click on mega menu on the main option again, since we have created the mega menu on the main category. And now you can simply click on edit mega menu content to edit the content again. And it's pretty simple as we have already done this. And mega menu also make your menu looks appealing to the user, which can also increase the user engagement to our website. And this is how we can build the mega menu in the WordPress. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.